People are saying like, I have worked in microservices, but have you worked in microservices actually? People are saying like they have worked in microservices, but when I have asked you like how many databases have you dealt with at a time when there is multiple microservices involved, what all critical things are you logging, how many schemas you are creating, how you are doing the REST calls between one microservice to another microservice. So for these, they are giving the common answers which are being given to a normal service, normal distributed monolithic service. Okay, what answers they are giving? Once if I am asking them like what databases they are making use of, they will tell like I'm making use of non-relational database across all the microservices. I can understand there may be the requirement of non-relational only, but why they are choosing that particular database only? Why MySQL only? Somewhere NoSQL databases are required, but still they are going for MySQL only. Whenever there is a case for logging, centralized logging is very much important for microservice. Let's suppose A microservice calling B is calling C is calling D, and there are multiple microservice calls happening. And if there is some issue with D microservice, then how will you resolve that? You have to go through all the services logs, and if you are logging gigabytes of data, each and everything, if you are logging, then what will happen? You will not be able to find out, or it will take a lot of time to find out actually what is the issue and from which microservice the issue is coming from. So there should be centralized logging mechanism. Okay, third thing is centralized configuration is very much important. Let's suppose there are 20 microservices, 30 microservices. Then if there is any other service being added, or if the existing service needs to be removed, okay, so we need to modify the properties file of all the microservices. So if there is centralized configuration is in place, then we don't have to restart any of the services which is already started. Only we have to modify the existing configuration file, and we are done for that. So these are the things that we have to take care. And then one more important thing, there should be a caching mechanism. Okay, so if there is no caching mechanism, then if you are scaling it, are you working for scalability or not? If you are scaling from 0 to 1 million customers, then if you are not caching, then it will take a lot of time to give a response. If there is some data which has been frequently accessed, it will take a lot of time because it is hitting database again and again. So caching mechanism needs to be implemented in place. So these are the things that you should implement to tell like you have actually worked in microservice architecture. So this was it. I hope you have understood and you will implement these all things. So see you in next video. Bye.